Are you tired of your old, bland-looking SCP Secret Laboratory? Maybe, just maybe, you wish your game would tell you exactly what each item does, with vibrant colors that bring the game to life? Well, guess what? You've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you know how to create your own translation files, and if that sounds like too much work, don't worry. I'll even show you how to grab my custom-made files you see on the screen right now. Afterwards, I'll show you how to add your own songs to the main menu. So let's get modding. First things first, open up Steam. Head to your library and find SCP Secret Laboratory. Right click on it, go to Manage and browse local files. From here, go into the folder called Translations. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the translation files for every language in a game. Now we've got two choices. Use my own custom translation files, more on that in a bit, or make your own from scratch. And if you ever get stuck or need help making your files, feel free to drop a comment or join my Discord server. I'll help however I can. Now let's get into the editing. First, make a copy of the language folder you want to mess with. We'll be using the end folder. That's English. Inside, you'll see a ton of .txt files. I won't lie, it looks intimidating at first. But once you understand how they work, it gets way easier. Let's start with one of the simpler ones, classnames.txt. This file controls the names of roles like SCP-173, MTF Private, etc. So if you ever wanted to rename SCP-173 into something like Nutty Boy, well, now you can. Just make sure you're editing the correct line, don't accidentally rename a completely different class. Alright, now let's spice things up. What if you wanna change colors, font size, or even add emojis? You don't need to be a programmer, but having a tiny bit of HTML knowledge helps. So let's take color as an example. Use the format on the screen before your text, so if you want red text, it might look like this. Everything after the tag will be red until you close it with this tag. If you forget to close it, the entire file will turn red, and trust me, I've been there. I'll leave a copy-paste cheat sheet in the description so you don't have to memorize the format. Once you're happy with your edits, save the file and boot up the game. Your custom translation might appear as English 1 in the language settings. To change that, go into the manifest.json file inside your translation folder. Find the name field and change it to whatever you want, like Cool Modded English or Hubert Mosca Overhaul, whatever floats your boat. Okay, maybe that still sounds like too much effort, I get it. So I spent literally hundreds of hours making my own enhanced translation files, and yes, they are free to download. But before you do that, please like the video and subscribe. It shows your appreciation and helps push this content to others who need it. To download them, join my Discord server, link in the description. During onboarding, select Translation Access when prompted. Then scroll down to the translation channel and download the zip file. There's also a Polish version made by my friend. Extract it and drag the folder into the translation directory. That's it? Okay, real talk. Before you grab the files and leave, let me give you a few reasons to stick around. 1. I update the files whenever the game updates. Just staying in a server keeps you in the loop with the game. 2. I work hard to build a friendly, active community and I want you to be part of it. 3. We run Nitro giveaways, SCPsl tournaments, and we even have our own SCPsl server. And 4. Who knows? You might find people you vibe with and make some long-lasting friends. Now as for the custom music, it's as simple as it gets. Go back to local files, just like with the translations, except you'll instead open the music folder instead of translations. Here, you can add any MP3 file and you'll be able to switch to it by going to the game's audio settings and scroll down to the menu themes. And that's about it. I hope you learned something new today and maybe, just maybe, I convinced you to stick around. So please do me a favor, like the video, comment something below, I read all of them, and subscribe so you don't miss more SCPsl content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!